How to log out of Kling AI application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to sign out or log out of your Kling AI application on your smartphone or your tablet, whether you are switching into another account or using a shared device, signing out or logging out only takes a few moments. First, open the Kling AI application on your device, and once you're inside this home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Space. Now, once you get to this profile section kind of a thing, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. In the expanded menu, you'll see a log out or sign out button at the very bottom in red. Before logging out, make sure you remember your credentials. If you do, tap on sign out. And you have successfully logged out or signed out of your Kling AI application. You can sign back in at any time using your preferred login method to continue creating AI-generated images and videos. So there you have it. Thanks for following along. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Goodbye. Have a good day.